Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the beautiful Woohoo Island. In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports Resort, a fantastic collection of 12 exciting sports. First, make sure your Wii remote has the Wii Motion Plus accessory for enhanced precision. You will then choose your Mii character and prepare for fun. Remember to calibrate your remote by pointing it at the center of your television screen before starting any activity for optimal performance. Woohoo Island offers a wide array of activities, with 12 distinct sports to master. You can engage in thrilling swordplay duels, test your aim in archery, or glide across the water in wakeboarding. Many sports feature different modes, such as a two-player versus option or challenging speed runs. As you play, you will earn stamps for completing various in-game achievements, adding to your overall island experience. Mastering the motion controls is key to excelling in Wii Sports Resort. The Wii Motion Plus provides one-to-one tracking, meaning your real-life movements translate directly into the game. For instance, a subtle wrist flick in table tennis or a full swing in golf requires precise timing. Practice your movements and pay close attention to the on-screen instructions. They offer valuable tips for executing perfect shots and achieving high scores. To truly maximize your enjoyment, delve into the advanced aspects of Wii Sports Resort. As you improve, you will unlock secret courses in games like golf and discover higher difficulty settings across many sports. Don't forget to challenge up to 3 friends or family members in various multiplayer modes for some friendly competition. Explore Woohoo Island thoroughly. You might even find some hidden areas or unique activities waiting for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.